Hey, what's up everyone? And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can get unlimited Microsoft reward points for free. I'm going to be teaching you guys using my own phone and how you can download this app that lets you do that, as well as some adjustments that you might need to make to your settings if you are using an iOS device. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright everyone, so I'm on my phone here and I just want to show you what the app looks like and how it works. So the name of the app is Microsoft Rewards. It's this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And this is what the app looks like. And as you can see, I have zero points. So really it's just as easy as clicking right here in this plus sign. And I can have as many points as I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and click here and show you guys. So you see automatically I have 5,000 points now, and I'm just gonna keep on clicking once again so you guys can see how the number goes up. 25,000 and now even 30,000 points. So how cool is that? And I have that for Microsoft reward points. So that's really awesome. So this is what you guys can also have for yourselves. So now let's go ahead and do some adjustments to our settings just to make sure that we have everything good to go and we can download the app. Now, just a friendly reminder that these adjustments are for iOS iPhone users. If you are using Android, you don't need to worry about this next step. All right, so this is for iOS users. So we're gonna go ahead and click on our settings. And in our settings, the first thing that we wanna do is go ahead to where it says battery. Let's look for that. I think I passed it. Yeah. So we're going to click battery here first. And we just want to make sure that we have low power mode turned off and that we have at least 10% battery on our phone. All right. So make sure that that is turned off. So once we've done that, we're going to go back to our settings and we're going to go up to where it says general and click on our general settings. And once we're here, we're going to click on background app refresh. So go ahead and click there and then background app refresh once again. So once we're here, we just want to make sure that we have either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data selected. So I have Wi-Fi turned on right now. So just make sure that you don't have it in off and you select either one of these. All right. So this is important so you guys can actually download the app itself. All right, so once we have done that, let's go back to our general settings and we're gonna head to our about. And here we're just gonna make sure that our iOS version is iOS 11 or above. So if it's below 11, just make sure that you guys update your phones before you proceed. So mine is 16.1.1, so I'm good to go there. If yours is 11 or above, you're also good to go. All right, guys, so once we've done that, we're gonna head down to Safari and click Safari. And once you're here in Safari, we're just gonna head all the way down to Advanced. So go ahead and click there. And then in Advanced, you just wanna make sure that you have JavaScript enabled. So make sure that the slider is turned on and it's green. So if you have it turned off, just make sure that you click the slider and it turns green, and that's how you know that it's enabled. So make sure that you have it enabled or turned on, guys. Super important in order for you to actually be able to download and install the app without any issues on your phone. All right, guys, so that's basically it for our settings adjustments. So now that's left is for us to head to our web browser. So I'm using Safari, so let's go ahead and click here. And in Safari, we're just gonna type in this web page, globetweak.com, just like so, globetweak.com, and that's the web page that we're going to use to be able to download, find and download this app. So go ahead and click there. And once you're here, the page is gonna load. So here you're just gonna click go and then click go once again. And this is what the web page looks like. Just like so, globetweak.com. And so over here at the search bar, you're just gonna type in the name of the app that we are looking for. So the name of the app is Microsoft Rewards. Microsoft Rewards. This one right here. And Once the app shows up, all you have to do is click install and it will download onto your phone, guys. So any other further questions, you can also check out this video tutorial right here, but that's pretty much it. So just remember the webpage is called globetweak.com, and over here in the search bar, you just type in Microsoft Rewards ++, and here you go. Just click install and it will download to your phone. So that would be all for today's video, guys, and that's how you can get unlimited Microsoft Reward points for free for yourself. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.